Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell here to share the November 2024 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive 3 sheets of cardstock, 3 sheets of pattern paper, and embellishments. So lots of product to create your projects with. You'll also get a ton of inspiration over on the Facebook group from the design team and your fellow subscribers, so be sure to join us over there. So this month our 2 collections is Cartabella Winter Wonderland, which is this beautiful winter collection, soft colors. It's just beautiful in the navy blue and that soft blue green with little touches of rose pink. I just love the colors in that. And then we're also going to have Simple Stories Say Cheese, and this is the Classic Mouse collection. So if you love Disney, you're going to love it, but there's also very generic sides, so you could create just about anything with it. So let's dig in and take a closer look at both of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is Winter Wonderland from Cartabella. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of olive cardstock, which this is done by Cartabella, so it matches the collection perfect. Beautiful heavyweight cardstock paper. We have this paper here with the beautiful florals. The back is a 2-toned navy print, so there's like pine cone branches and leaves, just gorgeous. That paper's called Swirl Floral. Then we have another floral background paper. The back is a snowflake on that rosy pink. That paper's called Mixed Florals or Flowers. Then we have another snowflake, gorgeous, on that navy blue. And the back is a 2-tone geometric shape in the green. And this paper is called Winter Day Flakes. So you have lots of nice tone-on-tones, neutral prints, and then all these gorgeous florals, and then the bright contrast of the snowflakes. Your embellishments is going to be the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a large, wide border of that beautiful floral here. Lots of florals in the stickers. Look at the big titles and the little words that you could use as subtitles. I just love it. We are like snowflakes, all different in our own beautiful way. Cozy winter vibes. Snow days are the best days. So that is Winter Wonderland from Cartabella. Our second collection is the Say Cheese Classic Mouse from Simple Stories. So with this one, you're going to get 2 sheets of black cardstock, 1 sheet of amber. Then we have this paper called Keep on Tuggin', which has the musical notes on black. And the other side is Steamboat Willie on that blue background. So this is a perfect background sheet, just adding a few embellishments and photos. Then we have this one, Oh Gosh, which is the stars on the yellow. And the opposite side are the little squares with Mickey and Minnie. They're also got faux stitching on here, so you could cut those into strips or blocks. It'd be a lot of fun. Then we have a beautiful plaid. Again, it has that faux stitching on it. This is called I'm All Ears. And the back side is another one that's a perfect background paper with the borders over here and the little Polaroid with Mickey and Minnie and a little label. A lot of fun papers. And then for the embellishments, you're going to get the package of page pieces. So this is a Simple Stories way of giving you everything that you need to create a double page layout as the sample they give you, or to use it in your own way. So I love these because the pieces are a little bigger and it just gives you a little bit of everything that you need. It gives you titles, banners, icons, all the way from larger ones to little bitty ones, so you can build clusters. So this is a look at all of the page pieces you will get. So that is Say Cheese Classic Mouse from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store, as well as all the individual products. Right now we have an awesome December album as well that's available in limited quantity, so be sure to check out that reveal video if you'd love to do a December album. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.